In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable alerts on TradingView app. So if you're receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you no longer need them, then let me show you how you can disable them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to disable alerts from this app, you need to go ahead and access the app info page. To do this, go ahead and tap on settings, and then from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps, and under apps you should see this option called manage apps or all apps on your Android smartphone. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. To the list, find your app, and as you can see, my TradingView app is here. You can also go ahead and search for your app using this search bar. Now, if you tap on it, you can see we are now on the app info, and this is where we shall apply our settings. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and find your app. And from your app, just long press on it and you should see app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app info page. At this point, go to permissions section, and under that, look for notifications. As you can see, notifications are turned on, and that's why you are saving those notifications. To permanently turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and this will turn off all the other types of notifications. And from now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications or alerts from this app. So that's how you can disable notifications from TradingView app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.